What's up, guys? So today I posted up earlier something on the Facebook page regarding on any suggestions on any videos or anything like that. Sorry, just had these settings here. So yeah, someone suggested they wanted to learn how to use their hotspot and what they can connect to. So I will be showing you guys how to do that on your Android device. Now be aware, make sure that your provider is capable of providing you for a hotspot, or yes, because it or there's no or because make sure they will pay you, they will charge you extra for hotspot if you don't have it available, or you'll have to pay for it, or it may not work at all. So keep that in mind as well. So I'll be using the Android device here. So a couple ways you can get to your hotspot here. Hotspot, of course, you can go through the setting here. Easy spot, just drag down, shows you there. But I'll be showing you through the settings. So go through the settings. You're going to find the network and internet. If not, scroll through it, you'll find it. Or actually, it'll say hotspot as well on there as well. So click on there. Excuse me, didn't mean to click on Wi-Fi calling. So once I get into the hotspot setting, I am going to look for the tethering and mobile hotspot once again. That's going to give you different options, of course. I've never done a Bluetooth one, so sorry, but I've done the USB, and USB, like I said, it's just you connect it and it gives the internet one from together, but it's just for one device. So if you can see, I have multiple devices here, so I want to connect more than one. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So like I said, you'll click on mobile hotspot, click on there, and then you'll want to get into your settings so you can change a few things on there. You want to change the name so you know what you're connecting to or identifying to when you connect it to your devices, or you can leave it open as well to where there is no password on there. Try to make the password something simple so you don't forget, or you can change it whenever. It's not like you lock yourself out or anything, but of course you will be connected to more of the device, so you don't want to forget. And then of course it lets you limit how many people you want it to connect to. Right now I'm going to leave it as 3, so I'll save that. I'll turn that on. Once I turn that on, I'll give it a second so I can connect there. If you guys can see there, it gave the same connection there. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna connect to it, and as well I'll be connecting it to the switch as well too in a second. So since I already had it connect with the password, it kind of showed I already connected. So you would just type in that 1 2 3 4 5 or whatever it is you have as a password set up for it. Say for instance, if I wanted to do it for the switch as well, so you can go into the settings of whatever device you're going to be using it on. Let me see if I can focus for you guys. It's not focusing. There we go. Alright, so once we focus, I'm going to go to internet. I'm going to go to internet settings, and then I'm going to search for a device, which is the same thing the computer should have done. And then I'm going to find the hotspot one I'm using, which is Kami Wi-Fi. And I'm going to type in the password. And then okay. And then give it a second. So it's going to confirm. Then I'll confirm with you guys. Let me close Cuphead. Good game, by the way. You guys should check it out. I'm going to YouTube real quick. Connected to YouTube, no problem. Once it gets using the hotspot, and then notice in the background I got Google. So the computer's connected to it as well too. So sorry. Let's find Goku. And this one here is going as well. I'm just gonna play anything. Let's play this guy. RGT, getting promos there. Alright, so it's playing that promo, so playing the ad there, so it is working. And it also works online. If your kids play online, if you play online, Switch is portable, remember that. So, alright, so yeah, that's still connected. And then this is still connected as well too. If I can connect to it, right? There we go. Yeah, that's that's using the mobile hotspot, guys, on the device, just remember to check your provider. And you get charged extra for it. If you can, like I said, like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys, for watching, and please share. And the likes help a lot. Thanks, man. Thanks once again.